Alright guys, this is gonna be
Please check it on the map.
city flight with a Mavic Air 2. We're gonna go up about 200 feet. This is my little community here. Alright, and then we're gonna see the range, so you guys can get a better idea what it's like in a suburban neighborhood, or city I should say. So you can actually see the range. I got an ND filter on there, ND 16. It's early in the morning. As you can see, it's about 8:30. So I'm just gonna show you guys the range and what you can expect when you're in a city like this or a town like this. Alright, and it's getting a wind resistance, so the wind is blowing east in our direction, so we're heading towards the wind. Now usually when I get to about a mile or so, it starts to flake out, or a little bit close to a mile. See those towers? Those radio towers really mess with it a lot. I'm just going to show you the kind of range you can get from it and what you can kind of expect. So you see those towers on the left, on the right, those poles, they cause a big interference. Made me wonder what's that noise behind me. That's the highway. As you can see, we're doing pretty good. Let's go up a little bit more, because I don't know why it always tells me that when I'm around this area. So we have a perfect lock. Alright. As soon as about here, this is when it starts to flake out. Yep, there we go. But we're just gonna keep going forward, see what happens. See if I can make it at least to the front gate here. Still going. We're traveling over this new community they're building inside my community again. It's crazy. Yep, just about here we start to flake out. And
Go home.
Yep, so that's about it. Fail-safe mode in progress. So it looks like it's coming back to us. So as you can see, that's the furthest I'm gonna get when it comes to the suburban range in my community. I could just imagine if I'm a little bit out more, or not where all these trees. Once you see it start coming back, you guys will actually see the video recording. But it looks like we're still stuck here. Yeah, there's the Hard Rock Stadium. So it's on its way back to me here. So, like I said, guys, you can only get so far in a neighborhood like this. Now, I'm not doing this just to do a range test. I didn't buy this Mavic Air just to do range tests. I do music videos. I do a lot of different videos, and I just wanted to show you guys what happens when you fly the Mavic Air in a neighborhood like this and you're trying to get a range. And to be honest, it's probably one of the best drones I've flown so far. I just ordered the Mavic Pro 2 because I needed those side sensors. I really do. A lot of videos that I'm doing, I like to just leave it automated and let it do its thing. But trust me, this Mavic got hit probably twice already since I bought it. But other from that, it's been great. I mean, it does the job. You can see we're about 47 seconds left. Alright, look, there's the highway. Hard Rock Stadium to your left there. Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm just gonna cut this short. I'm not trying to let everyone know where I actually live. So yeah, awesome. As you can see, you don't really get too far out of it, but it's great. Fun machine. Alright, if you guys like and subscribe. See you in the next video.